Hello everyone, and today I'm here to discuss about mains perspective. And many of you might be hopeful for your prelims results and might be preparing for mains, and many of you might be trying for next year OCS, and this would be helpful for both of you. And as I have started my preparation, I would suggest that it is better if you start preparing for mains first, because as you prepare for mains, half of your portion is over for prelims also. So first मेन्स प्रिपेयर करेंगे मेन्स रो जहाँ भी सिलेबस थी सेटा फर्स्ट कंप्लीट करदे सेटा आपन को प्रिलिम्स रे भी हेल्प करिवो एंड मेन्स रे आपन को जहाँ सब्जेक्ट्स थाए मु कहि देबा पई चाहे फर्स्ट यू विल बी हैविंग पेपर 1 which is ओडिया लैंग्वेज, पेपर 2 which is English. Paper 1 and paper 2 are just qualifying in nature, you just need to qualify them. And then you will have paper 3 from where your marks would be aggregated. Paper 3 is essay paper. Paper 4 would be your GS1. GS1 mane history related to Odisha history, world history, Indian history and culture, art and culture. And your paper 5 would be GS2, which is polity, governance and IR, international relationships. And then your paper 6 is GS3, where you would be having economics, environment, disaster management. And paper 7 would be GS4, which is specifically for ethics. And I would also wish to share what I used to do for each paper. So Odia and English is just you prepare passages, you prepare translation and basic like sentence formations using Odia words or English words. You'll be getting passages and you'll be getting translations for sure, English to Odia and Odia to English. That is just qualifying in nature. And for essay paper, I would suggest read recent current issues like women empowerment issues or any recent current affair issue, no, AI or Gen Z revolutions. So such things will help you to write an essay paper. And for GS1, which is your history, culture, I followed Jatadhari Nayak sir's classes and OPSC study IQ. There's and even Adda 24/7 will help you for GS1. For GS2, polity and IR, I followed Parcham classes, which was very helpful for me. And you can also go with Lakshmi Kant simplified. And GS3, for GS3, which is economics, environment and disaster, there are various topics. So according to the topics, you can choose your own video whichever is easier for you. GS4, I used to watch Dr. Tanu Singh ma'am's videos, which will give you many case studies to write down. So in all these papers, I would suggest one thing कि आपण माने करंट अफेयर्स को इंक्लूड करेंगे जिते हिस्ट्री लिखुंट हिस्ट्री भावतु आसला इन केस जगन्नाथ रथ यात्रा विषय तो रिसेंट किसी करंट इश्यू आपन जानते कौन भी डाटा दे पारे ए ईयर रिलेटेड. सो इफ यू राइट सम ग्राफ, if you draw a graph, if you use extra some data there, that would surely give you extra marks. And try drawing flow charts wherever required. Like I have used maps, Odisha map and India map in geography for sure. In each question I have drawn a map of Odisha. Like a question might be asked to you related to minerals, you can draw a graph. And the question was asked to me related to physiological divisions of India. So मु इंडिया मैप ड्रॉ करी फिजियोलॉजिकल डिविजन्स जहाँ भी आमर अच्छी इंडियन डेजर्ट, नॉर्दर्न प्लेन्स, कोस्टल प्लेन्स जहाँ भी अच्छी मु ड्रॉ करी शो करी. तो जियोग्राफी रे निहाती भाबे आपण मैप ड्रॉ करेंगे. इवन ओडिशा एंड नेबरहुड रिलेशनशिप्स ऑल्सो यू वुड श्योरली ड्रॉ अ ग्राफ. And in history, use recent issues, recent datas. For economics environment, I would again suggest use current affairs like use of green crackers,